Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover OpenAI's new partnership with Condé Nast, Microsoft releasing new Phi 3.5 models, a prediction from the AWS CEO about the future of coding, Google's upcoming trial over data collection, and Meta's new web crawlers. First up, OpenAI has signed a landmark agreement with Condé Nast. The partnership aims to improve search features using OpenAI's Search GPT prototype, making it easier to find information and reliable content sources. However, this partnership has raised transparency issues, especially among Condé Nast's unionized workers. They are concerned about the potential impact on journalism and the lack of clear details about the agreement. This deal comes at a time when Wall Street is increasingly worried about a potential AI bubble, as investors question the monetization and viability of AI technologies in the current market. Next, let's talk about Microsoft's new Phi 3.5 models. Microsoft recently introduced 3 new open-source AI models called Mini Instruct, MoE Instruct, and Vision Instruct. These models excel in logical reasoning and support multiple languages, though they face challenges in factual accuracy and safety. The Phi series aims to deliver highly efficient AI models for commercial and scientific purposes. Despite the promising features, details about the Phi 3.5 training process remain undisclosed. The models are accessible under the MIT license on Hugging Face and Microsoft's Azure AI Studio, but require specialized GPU hardware like NVIDIA A100, a 6000, or H100 for optimal performance. Moving on, a leaked recording revealed some surprising comments from AWS CEO Matt Garman. He believes that software developers might soon stop coding as AI takes over many of their tasks. Shared during an internal chat in June, Garman's remarks were intended as a positive forecast. He emphasized new opportunities and skills for software engineers instead of presenting it as a dire warning. Garman highlighted that developers should focus more on understanding customer needs and innovation, rather than merely writing code, as AI tools increasingly manage the technical aspects. Now let's discuss Google's upcoming trial. Google is facing a class action lawsuit accused of collecting Chrome users' data without their consent. This comes after a federal appeals court reversed a 2022 dismissal that failed to evaluate Google's disclosures properly. The lawsuit, filed in 2020, claims Google collected data such as browsing history and IP addresses from Chrome users, regardless of whether they enabled the Chrome Sync feature. The federal appeals court decided that the lower court should reconsider whether users genuinely understood that they were consenting to data collection, sending the case back for further review. Lastly, Meta has deployed new web crawlers that are difficult to block. Meta introduced these new web crawling bots to collect data for training its AI models and related products. Named Meta External Agent and Meta External Fetcher, these bots have features that potentially bypass the traditional robots, .txt file. This makes website owners' efforts to block them less effective. Launched in July, these new bots have shown low block rates compared to older versions. According to Originality.ai, only 1.5% of attempts to block Meta External Agent were successful, and less than 1% for Meta External Fetcher. Thanks for listening, and see you tomorrow for your daily Techpresso.